We're back again with hire purchase. Falls under financial maths. And so this question says Robin has 4,800 rands to buy a PlayStation. Okay, he has two options to buy it. The first option is cash, and that costs 16,000 rands. Or this is the second option, hire purchase, pay 30% deposit and pay 500 per month for 48 months thereafter. Okay, the first question says, does Robin have enough money for the deposit? And then the second one says, what will the PlayStation cost Robin, or cost after Robin has paid it off on hire purchase? Okay, I'm going to read this again and I'm going to explain what everything means. Robin has 4,800 rands to buy a PlayStation. He has two options to buy it. The first option is cash, and that needs 16,000 rands. So if he has cash, he can take out the 16,000 rands and walk home with the PlayStation. Okay. Or the second option, hire purchase. So he would have to put down 30% deposit for this PlayStation, right? So we need to find out what is the 30% of 16,000. And then after he pays the 30% deposit, he needs to pay 500 per month for 48 months. Okay. The first question is, does Robin have enough money for the deposit? That is the 30% of the 16,000. And then the second question is, what will the PlayStation cost after Robin has paid it off on hire purchase? So what that's asking is, what is what is the total amount going to be after Robin has paid up everything that he needed to pay? So now let us have a look at this. This question is similar to the one previously, and again we see that there isn't number of years, there isn't percentage on the rate, or the what is this, the interest on the hire purchase. So this means that there's not so much a formula that you got to use. You just need to understand the question, and however you write your calculations, it doesn't matter. As long as you get to the right answer, we'll give you the mark. Okay, so let's look at 3.1. Okay, the question is, does Robin have enough money for the deposit? So what do we know about the deposit? It says 30%, right? 30 over 100 times the total cost of the item, which is 16,000. So let's calculate that. That's going to be 30 over 100 on the calculator. Multiply that by 16,000. That is going to give us, whoa, look at that. So we've got 4,800. The question is, does Robin have enough money for the deposit? Look at this here. Do you see that? Yes. So therefore, yes, Robin has enough money for the deposit. Okay, and then 3.2. Excuse me. What will the PlayStation cost after Robin has paid it off on hire purchase? What will the PlayStation cost after Robin has paid it off on hire purchase? So basically they're asking, after Robin has paid every cent that he needs to pay for this PlayStation, how much will the total amount be? Okay, so what are we going to do? So like the previous one, we're going to put down the 4,800 rands that Robin has already paid as a deposit, right? And so we're going to add something. What is that something? 48 months of 500. You see that? So we're going to have 48 times 500. Okay, so let us put that on our calculators. It's going to be 4,800 plus 48 times 500. So that's going to be 28,800. Okay, so when you grow older and you see something on hire purchase, just remember that that amount that you're going to pay at the end is going to be a whole lot bigger than the one that you initially saw on the advert. So this is basically the life lesson that you get out of math. Okay, so 30% of 16,000 is 4,800. That is enough money for Robin to put down when they pay the deposit. And then what will the cost be after Robin has paid off every cent? Look at the big difference. Robin would have paid 28,800 rands. Do you see that? Do you see the difference? The cash price is 16,000. So if Robin had 16,000, Robin would have saved a whole lot of money. But so this here is to help people who do not have money at the time that they want to buy something or at the time that they need to buy something. And so you constantly have to be working towards these kinds of things, constantly be saving in order for you to get stuff cheap. So this is basically a life lesson that you take out of this. So when you think hire purchase, or you could even talk to your parents and ask them about this, just ask them how hire purchase works, and you'll find out that you pay more than what it initially costs because you don't have the money at the time you get to the store. You don't have the cash price. And so I hope that this makes sense and that it will help you in future, because that's basically why we do math, right? Okay, enjoy your day.